back to my kitchen. We have an amazing chicken dinner for you. Loads of onions, red and white. The white is a little harsh and the red is sweeter. We're going to bake this on our flat bread. We are using the spice Sumac, very soury and very lemony, but this spice is perfect for this meal. The traditional meal actually takes between 2 and 2.5 hours. I'm going to have this on your table within 20 minutes and it will taste just as good. We're going to put salt and pepper on our chicken. Now, as you probably have noticed, I have scored the chicken, so all the spices will actually go through it. Pepper, a little bit of paprika, and this is the magic spice, Sumac. Like I said, it's quite soury, but it works perfect with the chicken. Okay, that's it. Excuse the fingers, but there's no other better way to do this. We've got the same thing happening with the onions. Salt, pepper, oops, sumac, a little bit of sumac, and a little bit of paprika. Once again, olive oil, and the fingers. Now I have preheated the frying pan, just placing the chicken on. So we're actually going to cook them here on top. That way it doesn't take as long as pretty much in the oven. Half fry the onions till they're half wilted, not fully, because the rest of the process will go under the grill. Now I know it looks like a lot of onions. It is actually 4 white ones and 2 pink, but what will happen, that will wilt down right to almost 1/3. Okay, we're getting there. It's halfway through the cooking process. Another 5 minutes to go. Okay, all finished. We've actually pan fried the chicken and the onions. As you can see, it has wilted right down to 1/3. We might not need all of this, but remembering this is for 4 people, not 1 or 2. So the onions go in first. Actually just going to grill it. After I put it all on, I'm going to grill this for probably 5 minutes, just to make the outside of this bread nice and crispy. Adding more of the onions. Now it is a finger meal at the end, so these onions are caramelized. They just smell superb. Grill for 5 minutes. Straight to the table, enough for 4 people. I'm sure they're going to love it. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.